How to cut golf greens grass. Most people that play golf have little to no knowledge of the care required to keep a golf course in excellent playing condition. There is one part of a golf course that receives the most scrutiny of all the greens. Beyond the type of grass used, and the contouring of the green, the practice that can most affect the performance of a golf green is the mowing. Most golf courses mow their greens daily, and the process of mowing a golf green is more complex than mowing a yard. Things you'll need: powered reel type mower, catch basket for the mower. Decide on the pattern to mow the green. The most common patterns are front to back, right to left to right, and side to side. The pattern direction is determined by the relevance to the fairway. So a right to left pattern would start at the right corner of the fairway end of the green and travel towards the left back of the green. So for this example, the pattern will be right to left. Position the mower at the bottom right corner of the green. Keep the mower front off the ground when the reel is engaged. Begin walking the mower towards the back left corner of the green, and place the front of the mower on the ground when fully on the green. Lift the front of the mower off the ground when the mower reaches the back left corner of the green. Make a 180-degree turn and go back to the green. Position the mower so that the cutting reel overlaps the first cut by 3 inches. Walk the mower towards the bottom right corner of the green, and place the mower front back down when the mower is fully on the green. Continue this process, basically zigzagging across the green. When the first half is complete, repeat the process for the second half of the green. Position the mower along the edge of the green. Cut a pass around the green following the edge of the green. When the first pass is done, make a second pass inside the first going the opposite direction. Make as many passes as necessary to cover the ends of all passes, usually 2 or 3. Tips: warnings. Make sure to rotate the mowing patterns on a daily basis. Remember to empty the basket when full, because a full basket will change the cutting height of the mower. If the green is exceptionally long, do not cut to height in one cutting. Step the height down until the desired height is reached.